My name is Natalie. I'm working as a developer advocate for the Aerospike Database. Before that, I've been an engineering manager and mostly a back-end developer. Spent most of my career doing Go, but I actually started as a hardware engineer in Intel. A friend of mine is a lot into hacking, and he has this thing where he's in conferences, he's doing a side track, if you will, where there's a hacking challenge happening in parallel to all the talks. And I helped him a little bit, and one of the tasks was I built a model that I built a CAPTCHA that you need to hack as one of the stages. And can you please test this to make sure this is reasonable to do as a challenge throughout the conference? So basically that it's not a few days project, but it's like a 1-2 hours project. This was the first time I did hands-on TensorFlow. And usually for machine learning, Python is the language of choice, but I'm a big fan of Go. So I decided to do this with Go, which is not the traditional choice for machine learning, but it actually was well. It's bringing us closer to the future.
In what way?
In a way that machines are becoming more allies of us if we do it right. The pros is that we can definitely have the help of a more intelligent entity help us plow our way through life. But the danger is also if we do it wrong, then it's not necessarily on our side. Well, there's this very famous example that says, let's say I build an unsupervised model that all it has to do is write many notes. It's the one goal in life. And it tries and becomes more efficient all the time. And then at some point it figures out a way to hijack all the factories and change everything they do to just write notes. And from here to there it collapses the economy, Earth crashes. And this is an innocent machine learning model that all it was supposed to do is write notes. If it goes in the hands of less innocent goal, it can go even worse. But there's many initiatives against this. For example, Elon Musk started an organization called OpenAI. The purpose of that organization is basically to have all machine learning algorithms and knowledge open and shared between everyone. And the motivation is that if everybody can access it, then even if the bad guys get to catch it, the good guys are not far behind. You take the data, you put it somewhere, you train a model, and then you serve it. So do the inference or look for the predictions, and you monitor everything. Those are the bare minimum or the bare bones of each production system. In hospitals, doctors are looking at X-rays to tell patients if they have some problem or if they're good. And having compared their performance to the performance of a machine, the machines tend to be more accurate because they never get tired, because they never get biased, they never get distracted. Another example is lawyers reading through heavy contracts or lots of pages of a lawsuit. As a human, it's really hard to maintain your attention high and good all the times in 8-hour shifts, and more if you're a doctor. For a machine, that's easier.